Closed Caption Creator is the easiest, most intuitive way for video editors to integrate captions and subtitles into their video projects. To begin, export an MP4 version of your finished video file from your nonlinear edit system. In this case, we're using Adobe Premiere Pro. Once your video has finished exporting, launch Closed Caption Creator and click File, Import, Media File. Then, choose your video and select Import. From here, start creating your own captions. Import a plain text file or import an existing caption file right into Closed Caption Creator. Once you've finished creating and formatting your captions, select Export, Caption File, and choose the desired sidecar caption file format. Back in Premiere, we can simply import our caption file, drop it on our timeline, and make any further adjustments to fonts, position, and timing if necessary. When you've finished, export your video and sidecar caption file individually, or export your video file with burned-in subtitles. For more information, please visit closedcaptioncreator.com.